What's up, guys? This is Dominic with Meyers RV in Madison, Ohio. Just wanted to bring this east to west Tandara to you guys, 26 RD. Check out how beautiful it is. Definitely wanting to start with the inside. Let's start with the stairs. Got the beautiful stairs, nice solid stairs coming inside. Got that rear dinette. Beautiful, turns into a bed. Very long, so if you're a little bit taller, it might fit you pretty well. Not super wide, but definitely fit one person pretty comfortably. Got that ducted AC too. Lots of storage space up top. Lots of storage space. Nice window view from the dinette. Especially if you can back your site up to something, that would be gorgeous, looking out at like a pond or something like that. Lake. And coming around. Got your living space, the two recliners, you got your 12-volt fridge, the pantry, nice counter space, beautiful colors, nothing too flashy, nothing else, nothing crazy. Love the size of the TV. It's a wonderful size, glad it's not super tiny. Fits in here beautifully. We also got that stereo system here as well. Jensen. Got some speakers. And then you got your cabinetry. Kind of an odd design, to be completely honest. I don't know if you're fitting a garbage can in there, but they do have a spot for a garbage can, either underneath the extra counter space or inside this drawer right here. So plenty of space for a garbage can, which is nice. Can't stand when manufacturers don't add in the spot for the garbage can. That's like one of the most important things, right? Nice and deep, very long. They are easy close drawers as well, which is really nice. When I push hard enough. Yeah, that's very nice, satisfying. A little extra storage space down here. Still got your oven, 3-burner stovetop, nice size sink as well. That's always great. And a little extra counter space. This can fold down if you don't need it, but I'm assuming more often than not, people are going to want to use that counter space. More storage up here. Normal microwave, nothing too fancy. Got your vent as well, so if you're cooking something it gets smoky, you can always air it out. Now, just in case you're wondering, under the dinette you do have your outlet, USB and USB-C ports. Same thing over there. And you got some storage in here as well. Goes back pretty far, which is nice. And then if you want that privacy, you can, oh, well, if I was grabbing in the right spot, that may help. So, very, very nice. One of my favorite things is this pantry. Gives you a lot of cabinet space for all of the essentials. So you can move these the shelves so that way it fits your needs best, which is wonderful. This fridge is pretty unique. It is 12 volt, which is, you know, a pretty standard thing nowadays. But for some reason, you can open it on both sides. Not sure what you might need to do that for, but you have the option to do that, so not gonna complain. Freezer space. Got your thermostat, outlet. Making our way up to the bathroom. Some pretty decent counter space, that's for sure. Plug your hot water tank, which is tankless, by the way. Endless hot water. Nice size shower with the sliding door. This is also pretty nice. Porcelain toilet. Spot for hanging up towels or clothes that you're going to be putting on. Again, that shower has some decent space. Now, just in case you guys don't know, I am 5'6", fairly short. I have more than enough space in here. More than enough. Going down to here. Got your drawers. Also, that easy close. No real spot for a garbage can in the bathroom, but I guess it's not the end of the world. Nice shelf space here as well. And the mirrors, you got some space. You can store all of your stuff. That kind of looks pretty tacky. It's not the most attractive looking thing, but hey, for being able to get a fifth wheel under 40,000, I guess I'm not complaining. And then you got the king size bed in here. Beautiful king size bed. Love having that extra space, especially if you got the dogs with you. Plenty of storage space. And you do have a nice shelf on the back to sit your phone. You got your outlet, USB and USB-C charging port as well. You could hang a TV up over here as well. You got a thermostat up there. Nice drawers, deep and fairly long. As far as in here goes, just a lot of space. And under the bed, you got a lot of storage space down here as well. Taking a look at everything from the top floor. Very nice, very spacious. You know, it's a lot more affordable than a lot of fifth wheels, you know, for getting something at that 40,000 mark. I definitely think this is a win. Very nice. All right, taking a look at this thing from the outside. They do it right. They do it right. I love that tuxedo look, that black and white. It looks good. Some black and white does not look very nice, but East to West does it right. Standard fifth wheel hitch. Under here, plenty of storage. You got your battery as well, solar as well, and you do have electric stabilizing jacks. They also do the magnets, which is always nice. It's always a plus for me. I love the magnets. All your hookups are in here. All your setups right here. Battery disconnect is right here. Pretty small storage, but it's tall, which is kind of nice. There's a 50 amp service, which is good. You could always throw in a second AC if you wanted to do that. Rack pinion, nice, love to see it. Backup camera prep, ladder prep. They do have the hitch on here as well. 3,000 pound towing, 300 pound hitch, 2-inch tow receiver. Nice long awning, no slides on this side, which just makes more camping space. Can't complain about that. And you got this beautiful rail, LED strip underneath the awning, which is always a great thing. Your tankless water heater as well. They also have the Goodyear tires, which is always a plus. This has been Dominic with Meyers RV at Madison, Ohio, and if you want to see all the stats and everything, that'll be listed down below in the description. I don't like putting it in the videos. I like just showing the camper in its glory. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.